Hello student, welcome once again. In this section we have a question now. Question says if f of s here equal to as to the power 4 minus bs squared plus s here plus 5, and also f of minus 3 equal to 2, then f of 3 would just be equal to what? So if you are given f of s here being equal to that bs squared plus s here plus 5, now for f of 3 here being equal to 2, this implies that so we don't know what f of 3 is, right? So f of 3 here would mean that we are just substituting 3 into it, right? So we have 3 to the power 4 here minus b here 3 to the power squared, then also we have 3 plus 5, right? Now for f of minus 3 here, we just have a minus 3 to the power 4, then minus 3 squared here, then also we have just 3 plus that here. Now this we said is equal to 2, right? But we'll leave it this way for now. Now when we subtract this from that, then we realize that subtracting this from that, this and that goes to 0, then also minus b plus b here, everything here goes to 0 also. Now we are left with this part, so we have here 8, 3 plus 5 is 8, then also we have, remember this place is minus 3, so we have 8 here, then minus 3 plus 5 here is just plus 2, right? It's just plus 2, but minus another minus is here, so we're just going to make it minus 2, which would be equal to 6. So which means that f of 3 minus f of minus 3 here is equal to 6, right? Now the question says what is f of 3, right? So f of 3 here would be equal to 6 plus f of minus 3. Now in the question we are given f of minus 3 to be equal to 2, so in this case we just substitute that into it, then we have all of this to be 2 being equal to 8, so therefore f of 3 here is just equal to 8 here, and therefore our answer here is just E. Alright, so thank you very much for joining me in this session. I hope this session was helpful, and if you are new here, please like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be notified anytime we post a new video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in another session.